What's up guys, Amir here, and today we're going to do a bodyweight ab workout that you can do anywhere. It's going to target all the abdominal muscles as well as helping you get definition and build a solid core. Let's just jump into it. So we're going to start with crossbody mountain climbers just to warm up, loosen up the joints and fibers and get the blood flow going and activating the core. Now, something I would like to do to activate my core even more is bracing. You know when you're about to get punched in the stomach and you brace all your abs? You're gonna do that. So for this exercise, you want to brace your core as hard as you can, and you want to really feel all the muscles contracting and getting hard, even in the side of your abs. You can even punch your stomach in order to stimulate more activation. So now that our core is activated, we can start the first exercise. And the first exercise is plank. And today we're gonna do a marching plank. So plank is a really good exercise that engages your abs, your back, neck, chest, all together in order to maintain a neutral spine and create stability. Now with marching plank, we are increasing the instability of the exercise, which in return will engages your abs even more in order to maintain that position. Now, if this exercise is a little bit hard, you can do a knee marching plank. This is an easier variation that will increases the stability and the demand of the exercise. Now for the next exercise, we're gonna target rectus abdominis muscle, which is your six-pack muscle. So right here in the middle. And for this, we're gonna do leg raise. So for this exercise, you want to raise your legs and lift your hips off the floor. Try to roll the spine up and bring your knees to your head. If this exercise is too hard, you can perform it with a bent knee. Now for the next exercise, we're going to target the obliques, which help with spinal rotation. And for that, we're going to do abdominal pendulum. For this exercise, you want to place your arms straight out on the sides to make sure you have a solid base. And from there, raise the leg into a vertical position. And we're going to slowly rotate toward the side. This exercise engages the obliques, and we're going to use them in order to move our legs from side to side in a controlled manner and prevent them from dropping to the floor. If this exercise is too hard for you, you can perform this with bent knees. Again, do it in a controlled motion and don't let your leg drop to the floor. So for the next exercise, we're gonna do a top-down rotational movement. And for that, let's do Russian twist. For this exercise, you wanna sit back, keep your back straight and move from side to side in a controlled motion. If this exercise is too easy, you can hold a plate in your hand and move from side to side in a controlled manner. The next exercise is an exercise that is really challenging, but I see people do it all the time and they're not challenged, and it's deadlock. So for this exercise, you want to make sure that your lower back is attached to the floor, and you want to make sure you don't arch your back as you're moving your opposite arm, opposite leg. In order to maintain that position, you can use the elastic band, put it under your lower back, and use your abs to engage and press on the band so it doesn't move. As you're moving your arms and leg, if your lower back comes off the floor, the band starts moving and gives you a feedback that you need to engage your abs more in order to press on the band and prevent it from moving. If this exercise is too hard, you can only move your legs and slowly add the arms to the movement. The last exercise is an exercise that puts pretty much everything together, and you can feel all your muscles working together in order to perform this exercise, and it is bird dog. For this exercise, we're gonna do the more challenging variation, which is a high heel bird dog. For that, get into the quadruped position, lift your feet off the floor, and from there we're gonna lift the opposite arm and legs and bring them up to the vertical position. Try to keep your body stable, don't let your body rotate, and engage your abs in order to maintain this position. If this exercise is too challenging, you can do the regular bird dog by putting your feet on the floor and slowly progress to high heel bird dogs. There you have it, an abs workout that you can do anywhere with no equipment that will challenge your body and will improve your performance. If you're looking for a scientific exercise program designed specifically for your body and fitness so that delivers the result that you want, make sure to check out our programs at myp.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or want me to cover a specific topic, leave it in the comments and I will do my best to do that for you. That is it for this video. Hope you like it and I will see you in the next one.